Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this frame from Dollar Tree, a printable I had created, and this 8x8 wood panel I got from Amazon. I take the frame and I'm tracing out the center of that on the front of the wood panel, and then I trace over my printable as well and cut out the printable, which I created on the Canva app. I then take plaster chalk paint, that's by Waverly, and I paint that circle on the panel. Make sure that's completely dry. And then I add a layer of Mod Podge just to that center area. Dry that completely. And then I lightly press down the printable for now. Place the frame just to make sure I have my placement right. And smooth that out, drying that with my heat tool. And then doing another layer of Mod Podge on top of that image. Again, drying that completely, and while it's still warm, I use parchment paper to smooth out any bubbles or wrinkles. I then paint around that image as well as the rest of the panel with moss colored chalk paint, also by Waverly. Next, I take that frame and paint that with the plaster color chalk paint as well. Next, I'll be using this acrylic nail brush, which has a stylus on one end of it, and I dip that in that same plaster chalk paint and create dots around the front. And then I'm attaching the frame using tacky glue, and I just brush that on the back of the frame. And then the last thing I do is place that frame on the front of the panel. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.